Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a complete example of the Selenium library inside Python to actually do some web automation. Selenium, as you all know, it's a very popular automation library. If you want to automate your browser, you can simply type Selenium, and this is their official website. It can work with any sort of programming languages, JavaScript, Python, Java as well. But in this specific example, I will talk about the Python language. So I will simply create a simple Python script which will automatically download Selenium, install it, and also run a simple example. So let me just create a simple folder, and let me just name it as Selenium example. And I just open it inside my VS Code. I first of all cd into this. So first of all, you should have Python installed on your system, and on the terminal section we simply write, we need to just install these two modules which are necessary. So just go to the terminal and just write here pip install Selenium, and after that one other library we need to install, which is WebDriver Manager. So Selenium works with a Chrome driver. So if you're using Chrome as your browser, it needs a Chrome driver. So it will automatically install this package, WebDriver Manager. The spelling is Manager. So just install these two modules, and then it will install the Selenium package globally inside your system. So once the command executes successfully. So now after that, just you need to execute a Python script here, and you just write here from Selenium. We need to import this WebDriver, and then from Selenium dot WebDriver dot Chrome dot service, we need to import the service, and then from the WebDriver Manager dot Chrome, we need to import the Chrome driver manager, and after that it will automatically download the right version of your Chrome driver depending upon your version of the Google Chrome. So you don't need to manually install this. So this line will make sure it automatically installs the correct Chrome driver for you, and it will set this. After that, we open a simple website, go to google.com and simply print out a message, Chrome open successfully. So if I just go to the terminal, just execute this Python script. So now what you will see, it will install the Selenium, the driver as well, and then automatically open a window and go to google.com. So this is the Python script that you need to have to get started with Selenium. And once it is installed, you can even check the version, which version you are using, by simply typing here Selenium dash dash version. I think no, simply we have installed Selenium right here. So it's a library, it works with the Python language. So we have installed this package right here. So in this easy way, you can see I have given this script in the description of the video. So it automatically downloads the correct Chrome driver and automatically opens, and now you can do any sort of automation. So as you can see, it opens google.com. So the link is given. You can actually copy paste the script, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.